Okay, guys, we're going to begin the process of redoing our closet and renovating in the bedroom. That's our next project. We're going to be getting rid of the dresser, and in order to do that, we need to find a place in a home for these clothes. Vinny has 3 drawers on one side, and I have the other 3. Now, you could see the mess we already contained here. Started. Everything had to come out of my side of the closet. You know, you don't know how much you got until you really start going through your stuff and seeing. This is a lot for here. And it's a mess. And this is all the stuff that I had in there. It doesn't seem like a lot when it's in the closet, but I'm going to have to start somehow eliminating the process of elimination. I'll do a few more videos with some clothes here because I haven't shown everything. And then I got to see what I really need and don't need. Cut back a bit if I can. These bins were in there. One's empty. The bottom one needs to go to the car. The other one is blankets. I can eliminate those 2 bins from my closet. So that's a good thing. Now, here, Vinny's in the process of measuring because, see what's missing? My dresser that used to be here in this space is now, come in and see how we're utilizing the space in a new way. Now it's here. Sorry for the bad cinematography, but I want you to see everything. Now it's in the corner on this side, so I won't lose my mirror and the storage that this dresser top affords me and my drawers. I need them. Now in this place here, in this space, Vinny is going to configure it in such a way that we'll only lose a portion of this shelf I'm showing you. Pretty much the center, hopefully he's saying. He'll be able to secure it because we're going to go to IKEA and we're going to slip in one of those closet sections like I have in Florida. If you follow my channel and you go on Janine's life, which we are here, you'll see, look through it, my video of my closet or something. I don't know, I shopped my closet. You'll see the units there. We want to put the wider one. We each have one in Florida. So we're going to put one here, and that's going to hold all of Vinny's clothes from the drawer. Let's turn around a little bit. His side. And then I have a place for mine. And that eliminates the need for a dresser in the room. I haven't had furniture like this in my bedroom in over 35 years. I'd say in about 30 years, to be honest. My son's 32, right before that was my last time I had furniture in the bedroom, when my little one was born. We had that 5-piece, the traditional. And then when I started getting closets, I started changing to the fact that you don't need dresser drawers and closets. If you have shelving and hanger space, that's all you need. For me, I can't speak for the world, but for me, I'm very content and I like the space because now that frees this up. I could do whatever I want, but I think you guys have a good idea and know what's going here. Let me know in the comments if you have a clue, if you've watched me, what is it I love? And I've always said, I have them in every home we've been. I have it in every home. Well, that's what's going to go in that spot in place of the dresser. It's going to be more narrow. It's going to make it look more spacious in that area. And I won't have this big dark box at the foot of my bed anymore. Pretty much everything else is staying. I might put Tallulah Bell. My Tallulah Bell's not doing well. She can't jump onto the bed. So Daddy, right away, yesterday, ordered her steps like we have in Florida to get up on the bed because the bed is high here. In New York even, we thought it was smaller, but it's not. She's having trouble jumping up. She can get down, but she can't get up. So when she gets down in the middle of the night, the first night she cried, woke Vinny up to pull her up on the bed. And last night, she just didn't even cry. She went onto the stool because my clothes are there. And I think she felt good there. Anyways, heartbreaking, my baby. So she'll get her stairs and they'll come over here. You know, unfortunately, it's a little bit of a clutter, but what are you going to do? I love my dog and she needs access even when we go out. Millie tends to love to be on the bed. She stays in the bedroom. I think she feels more secure in here or happy. I don't know, but I want to provide her the ability to do that when we're not here. All right, guys, so we'll keep you posted. I'm going to get busy now and show you part 2 of phase 1, meaning all of this stuff has to go back onto the dresser. And I have to find a home for these in the other closet where Vinny is. So we're going to be busy for the next few days.